Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. Today's video I have this Peugeot 308 2019 model. I'm gonna replace the front wiper blades in it, and these are the ones I'm gonna be using, the Bosch Aero Twin A188S. The fitting is slightly different to the ones that are fitted here, but it's pretty much a very similar fitting. So in order to do this, we need to sort of put the wiper arms in the park position. The park position means that they go up, and then we are able to replace them, because if you try to pull this arm, it clashes here, it touches the bonnet, and you can't really pull it. Even though you could, if you really know how to replace this, you could easily do them here like this, but we can put them in the park position, and I'll show you how to do that now. So if you get your key and you access the car, what we need to do is, and I would recommend you, if your car is in a place like mine, I wiped it with I wiped the windscreen and cleaned the wipers a bit because they were full of that. So if I was to put this in the park position, then it will scratch my windscreen. So I cleaned the whole thing before doing this. Anyway, put your key in there, ignition on, ignition off, remove the key, and then flick that once, and your wiper blades will come up, and they will stay there until we reset them. So now you can pull this blade out without damaging or touching your bonnet. And here's the blade. Now this blade has like two little clips, one there and another one just here on the side. And what we want to do really is we want to press on this one here and pull this up. It's a little bit hard to do it with one hand, but you want to press that and slide it up. That's basically what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna try to, with my two hands, just hold it, push it in and bring it up a little bit. Okay, once you get it sitting just under there, it will be stuck, because then you need to press this clip here, you press that one there, and then you'll be able to push it up, as you can see, and now that will come out. And I'm just being careful, because if I drop that onto the windscreen, it will crack. So there we are. Now I'm gonna get my other two blades, and just by the way, one blade, it's, so let's have a look at these measurements. One blade is 24 inches, the other blade is 18 inches. So in this case, the driver's side is 24 inches, and the driver's side here is in the right hand drive here in the UK. So, and the other one is the smaller one. So I'm just gonna get the blade out. Right, so that's the new blade fitting there, and that goes in there. So it's got that clip as well. Right, we got our new blade. Just fit it in there, push it down, and it should clip in there. But this one doesn't have the other clip that the old one had. So when you have to remove it next time, you just have to press there and pull it out. It'll be a bit easier than the other one. And that's pretty much it. Same procedure for the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then show you how to reset your blades back to normal. Actually, before I do the other side, I'm going to reset this back, and I'm going to do the other side while that is sitting there down. And the reason for that is because it's harder for me to reach the center there. So the park position is good for the driver's side, but not so good for the passenger side. So let's reset this back to normal, and that's just a tip. I mean, if you're really tall, then you'll have no issues. But if you're not that tall, right, you just put that in there, flick that again, okay, that should go back to normal really. Okay, right, I had to start the car, but normally it goes back to normal once you do that. You don't really have to start the car as such. But anyway, for whatever reason, sometimes Peugeot electronics can be tricky. Anyway, so now I can go ahead and replace this. If you can see, I can just lift that up a little bit and try and do it. But I can go ahead and do this one by myself with my two hands. It's the same procedure, but it's a little bit easier because I can reach there. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.